Hey friends, if you wish to fix Realtek audio not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So there's only one main resolution to it and I'll guide you through it. It is to download and install the Realtek audio drivers. So just search for Realtek audio driver in the search bar or on your browser, and then you can scroll down and then go to the Realtek high definition audio driver website. Scroll down a little more, click on the zip file here and download it. You need to make sure that you're downloading the latest version. And once the zip file is downloaded, then you can install it. Okay, but here's one more thing that you need to read, that this product has been discontinued. So here's another thing that you can try. You can simply search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs, right click on it and update all the drivers, each and every one of them. Okay, nowadays the system is a little different. Right click this one and update it. Then expand audio processing units and also update these ones. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.